I seem to have found myself in a bit of a predicament here. Yeesh. Welcome back to the garage. I'm gonna film a short video today. I know I always say it's gonna be short and then it ends up being like 20 minutes or something, but really it's gonna be a short video today. What I really need to do is clean off my workbench here, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'm gonna probably try to tackle some of my tech debt, but we'll see. It's raining, so I can't really paint, but I can use the blasting cabinet for a little bit. Cool, so let's get caught up and start doing some stuff. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I want to try to clean some of this grease off of here, and then I'll re-oil it or grease it, whatever. We'll see. What do you think? It does look better than it did. It's easier to handle now. Just want to give a huge shout out to my in-laws for buying me this thing. It's super handy. Look at that caked on stuff in there. It's like a factory grease that they grease these things with. But over time, dirt gets stuck in it. And I'm okay with leaving some of the grease behind. Just, again, this is a part no one's ever gonna see, but I'm gonna know that it's been cleaned up, so. Cool. All right. Put these bristles down here. By the way, I don't think we looked at this after it came out. Pretty cool. I bought some new wax and grease remover. In fact, that reminds me.
It's a fresh shipment of junk, sleazy's garbage.
Alright, that's right. It's time for another fresh shipment of junk. Where is it? Alright, so what do we have first? Oh yeah. Everybody needs these clamps. Why did I buy so many? I don't even know why I bought these. I know I needed them for something. I don't remember. Let's move on. Sprayer. It's nice. Oh yeah. It's my thumb. Oh wow, so that clamps on and you just spray away, huh? Interesting. Cool. Trying a new spray prep. This is Duplicolor solvent. No residue. Alright, so it sounds like it's flammable. Alright. Y'all know what this is. Since I used every single can that I have on this project so far, I'm gonna need it for the doors too. Rust Reformer! I bought more of this because I think I ran out the last time. These are... I was wondering where this was. That's heat shrink tubing. So you can see that these are just battery terminals for that crimper that I bought. Then I bought, this is like the gold standard and SEM trim black. Cool, so let me put this stuff away. All right, it's now pouring out, but I'd really like to get a coat of something on this. I'm gonna wax and grease remove this, and then we'll hang it up. And then we'll just, we'll see where we end up today. Okay, this stuff smells like a friggin' bathroom. Oh, God. It smells like a urinal mint. Oh. Duplicolor, why? Oh my God. Now that stuff is strong. Why does it have to smell like a urinal mint? Pretty good. Okay. Oh my God, does that stink. Alright, so the idea is maybe I can sneak this out without it getting wet. There's an overhang over here. By the way, this is why I'm such a huge fan of casters. I'm a caster enthusiast. So we'll just do some coats of primer going out that way. Not the best day. You shouldn't be painting on a day like this, but... No, don't come back in. Alright, I'm gonna have to close this door and spray it outside. Alright, we're done. It's nice. Not perfect, but of course, you don't do anything perfect here. It's not called Perfect Garage, it's called Sleazy's Garage. So we'll let that dry. Alright, so we're gonna keep taping. One of the least fun parts of this job is this taping. Sticky. Man, this stuff is getting sticky. It's all over the place. It's starting to like impact my movement here. Well, I seem to have found myself in a bit of a predicament here. But Mrs. Sleazy should be coming down any minute to check on me and make sure I'm okay. But I'm a little bit stuck at the moment. Any minute now. Oh no. Oh no, my light's going out. Mrs. Sleazy? Anyone? Mrs. Sleazy, where are you? I'm stuck, help! Wait, what's that light? Oh no. It's finally happening! Oh no! The living dead has come to the garage! Wait a minute. Is that a resume? So, thank you for the assist over there. Getting out of that tape. We keep a skeleton crew at night, so you're looking for like a night shift. So it says here you're a bona fide loop tech. I'm working on this car over here, and it's costing me an arm and a leg. So I am gonna need you to occasionally swing by the boneyard and pick up some parts. Unfortunately, I can only pay you in milk, and if you do really well, there's a cheese bonus. Bonus. Your name is Labratio. It's great to meet you, Labratio. Listen, we are gonna have to keep you away from the dogs upstairs. How are you driving stick? It says here you've done some body work. It doesn't show. It says here you worked at the boneyard. I hear that's a real hip joint. You know, I know a couple skeleton jokes, but I don't think you'd find it very humorous. Now here it says you play the trombone. Well, that's good because we play a lot of instruments around here. It also says you have experience in the crypto market. Well, you're hired. I hope you're ready to work though, because there's no room around this shop for lazy bones. Okay. All right. Well, that's going to put a pin in this one. Make sure you check out the Sleazy's Garage merch store to get your own Garage-a-ween hoodie. You got to check out this artwork. Mrs. Sleazy made it. It's amazing. Order it now if you want to get it by Halloween. You know, Halloween's a very busy time of the year for the garage here. So hopefully we'll do a cool project this year. Just have to figure out what to do. Don't know yet. If you have any ideas, let me know. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. What do you call a skeleton who goes out in the snow? A numbskull. It's finally happening. Do it up. Up a little bit. Oh no! The living dead has come to the garage!
God, don't make me laugh! I'm gonna f it up!
Okay. Right,
Don't
again.
do it again! You make me laugh! Don't!
Oh no! Why can't skeletons play church music? Because they have no organs. What's a skeleton's favorite song? Bad to the Bone. Who won the skeleton beauty contest? Nobody. Get it? Nobody. And then I said, wrecked them, damn near killed them.